Church of East Africa and a member of
Ndereti gikunyihia bajeti ya bururi nigo kuhuthiria mukenya murigo wa magoti ni iyukitio ni ikundi cia dini citiganite iria ciendekithitie mogaruruku megie micaara namba ya mbunge MCs gatagati ka aruti wira angi a thirikari. Mutongoria wa gikundi kia UFUNGAMANO ni kiendekithitie kamiti ya kunyabara micaara ya aruti wira a thirikari SRC guthurima weru micaara ya aruti wira a thirikari na kumenyihia na gicunje kia 40% makiambiriria na mutongoria wa bururi.
Reduce the salaries and benefits of state officers, including members of parliament, senators, governors, MCS, and other senior public servants by at least 40%.
Tiga micaara atongoria moigite ihinda ni ikinyu ria kunyihia namba ya icigo cia umbunge cia wadi na kaunti iria moigite cikoretwo cire murigo murito kuri AKENYA.
The number of constituencies and elected members of the National Assembly be reduced to 150, down from the current 290. Elected members of county assemblies should be reduced to 750, down from the current 1,450.
That the counties be reduced to 16 and the current counties become sub-counties. This could easily be achieved if the previous provinces were split into 2 counties each. The Rift Valley split into 3 counties because of its larger size, and Nairobi be retained as 1 county.
Maundu mangi mendekithitio ni kweheria kigina kia mbunge gia kugura ngari na nyumba.
Reduce drastically the pensions and the benefits of retired presidents and vice presidents. These offices are abnormally costly to the taxpayer.
We believe as UFUNGAMANO that it is due time we relook at those sections of the Constitution that we are being concerned about here. That a referendum is the way to go, because a referendum gives us as Kenyans the opportunity to reshape our own constitution, supreme law of the land, that is our constitution.
Magitogeria mbeu njithi ni kurehe mogaruruku thirikari ni gwa kahinda kanini atongoria ni maikitie hoya kurio kwe mutongoria wa bururi kahinda ga gutabania maundu maria maigirire metha-ini.
Appeals to the Gen Zs to call off the planned demonstrations in the interest of peace and stability of the country and to allow a national conversation.
Na cigiritana ria kuhagura President William Ruto atongoria aya mari na ugi uyu.
We have to be a constitutional and a democracy as we think we are. The president needs to finish his term. What you do with him after 2027 it's up to you. It's up to you. But for God's sake, we do not recommend any means that is not constitutional to remove a serving president.
Kameme TV gikuhe uhoro gitau wa Wanjiku.